Home security technology can be a great upgrade. Being able to see who's at the door, monitor deliveries, and check on your property from your phone brings a lot of peace of mind. But setting up a Ring doorbell or home camera system is not always as simple as it looks. Connecting the device to Wi Fi, downloading the app, adjusting the settings, getting alerts to work properly, and making sure the camera covers the right area can quickly become frustrating. That's why Venice Neighbor Services offers friendly in home help with Ring doorbell and home camera setup in Venice, Florida. This service is designed to make smart home security. This service is designed to make smart home security easier, less stressful, and a lot more user friendly. Every setup is a little different, but common services include installing Ring doorbells or wireless cameras, connecting devices to Wi Fi, setting up smartphone apps, configuring motion alerts and notifications, adjusting camera placement for better coverage, connecting multiple cameras to one system, testing live video and alerts, and helping clients learn how to use everything with confidence. The goal is simple: to make sure your security devices are set up correctly and easy to use. This service is especially helpful for seniors installing their first smart doorbell or camera, homeowners upgrading their security system, snowbirds who want to monitor their property remotely, residents who need help connecting devices to Wi Fi, and anyone who feels frustrated by confusing setup instructions. Because for many people, the issue isn't buying the device, it's getting everything to work the way it should. A properly installed and configured a properly cons- a properly installed and configured camera system can improve home security, help monitor visitors and package deliveries, allow remote viewing from a smartphone or tablet, reduce frustration, and give homeowners confidence that the system is actually working correctly. Imagine installing a new Ring doorbell only to find that it won't connect to Wi Fi, notifications don't show up, or the camera isn't recording activity the way you expected. Without the right setup, the device may not Without the right setup, the device might not give you the protection and convenience you brought. Without the right setup, the device may not give you the protection and convenience you bought it for. Without the right setup, the device may not give you the protection and convenience you bought it for in the right. Without the right setup, the device may not give you the protection. Without the right setup, the device may not give you the right protection. Without the right setup, the device may not give you the protection and convenience you bought it for in the first place. A simple in home setup visit can make sure everything is connected, working properly, and easy to understand. What makes Venice Neighbor Services different is the personal approach. This isn't rushed tech support or a confusing installation process. This isn't rushed tech support or a confusing installation process. It's patient, step by step help from someone local who can explain things clearly and make sure you feel comfortable using the system before the visit is over. It's like having a tech-savvy neighbor help you set up your home security the right way. Many clients also combine camera setup with other helpful services that may include Wi-Fi troubleshooting, smart TV or streaming device setup, smartphone or tablet setup, mail and package monitoring, snowbird home watch visits, weekly home check-ins, or storm preparation assistance. Combining services can make your home even more secure and more convenient to manage. Most clients purchase the Ring or camera device first, then schedule setup help. And yes, multiple cameras can often be installed during one visit. If needed help using the app, If needed help using the app can also be part of the service, so you feel comfortable checking live video, receiving alerts, and managing the system from your phone. If you need help setting up a Ring doorbell or home camera system, Venice Neighbor Services is here to help. Call or text 941-504-0970 or visit VeniceNeighborServices.com, serving Venice, Nokomis, Osprey, Englewood, and Northport.